Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to unbox what's in here. The Advtronics 40-volt replacement battery for RYOBI products. It's supposed to be a 5 amp hour battery and it's supposed to be compatible with all the 40-volt RYOBI systems. We're going to test that out. Now, of course, first thing we do, open this thing up. Packaged very nicely, as you see here. Take out this little piece of foam. Battery. There's something in the bottom here. Power tool battery user manual. Okay, so it has all the safety rules and warnings and battery tool use and care. All that good stuff. So make sure you keep this. All right, and then this has, of course, a covering over top of it. It has the 40-volt lithium 5 amp hour, 40-volt lithium 5 amp hour nomenclature on the side. Same as on the top. Front side, pretty bare. Backside, oh, actually let's look underneath first. This, yeah, works exactly the same as the RYOBI system. And then you have, of course, a little indicator back here. This looks a little different, but everything else so far looks about the same. Let's go ahead and push that button. Oh, we have a full battery. That tells me this is pretty much fresh from the manufacturer. So let's see. On the bottom here, we do have, it's claimed to be the, of course, a rechargeable lithium ion battery. This is the model number. Of course, you have the 40-volt system, 200 watt hours, which is supposed to be 5 amp hours. And of course, all the warnings and symbols and everything else that's supposed to be on a real battery. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take this thing outside, give it a little bit of a load test. I don't have a load tester. So what we're gonna do is put it on a machine, probably the chainsaw, which, by the way, I did do an unboxing for the chainsaw. I'll put a link down below for that. But we're gonna go ahead and put a load on this battery, see if it works. Okay, here I am outside in appropriate outside gear. Different hat, different shirt, so I don't get my good stuff dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and put that battery in the chainsaw. Cut down a little tree. I don't have anything big to cut down, but I'll do that, and then probably use it on another piece of equipment as well. Probably my edger, because that kind of has a little bit of a drain to the batteries as well. So we're going to try to put this battery through as much of a test as we possibly can. Then pop that in there. Well, that wasn't much of a test. Didn't even drain at one bar. So we're gonna go ahead and do something else. We are gonna do the edger because the grass is a little muddy. So is the area around it. So the edger should be pulling a lot of juice That's my theory. So we'll see how this works. Alrighty, so we're gonna plug this into the edger. Oh, by the way, I did do an unboxing of this as well. So I'll go ahead and put that link down below. Alrighty, so I edged the whole yard. I didn't show you me edging the whole yard because I figured that would be like watching paint dry or something. But it only took 1 bar. That's not bad. That's about what the other batteries were when they were new as well. So I think this is going to be a good buy. So let's go inside and finish up the video. Okay, I'm back inside and with my inside clothing, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and test of the Advtronics. I'll put that down below. 40 volt lithium battery that's supposed to replace the RYOBI battery, and as you saw, it did do a pretty good load test. It ran. And it does charge on the regular charging system that the RYOBI batteries do, so that was no big deal. I did test that out in between. And I think that's about it. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.